All right. So today's video is going to be part 3 of the series. And basically we've figured out how to fix the player animation stuff. So basically everything is synced up properly now. The animations are also playing correctly. And so that is fixed. The new thing we've added is we actually we scrapped the idea of building our own physics engine or our own like AABB tests, and we just ported or we just added a physics engine to the game. In our case, we're going to be using the Rapier 3D engine. I believe it is built in Rust, but they do have a JavaScript version of it, so we're going to be using that. I did use it in a previous project. I think it is pretty, I'd say pretty simple to use. It's pretty intuitive. They've set it up pretty nicely. It is using WebAssembly though, so you may have to do some setting it up. But I believe it is, at least for this game, a better choice than the other engines like Canon.js or I believe Physics there is also as well, PhysX, the one from NVIDIA. I think that one is very complicated to use, honestly. Canon.js I think is a little bit is lacking a little bit in performance. I have worked with it, but it's not. It does struggle a bit, and it's not. I believe it's not really supported anymore. Like it's not really maintained. So we're gonna be using Rapier 3D. And I guess that's about it. I have added. I added jumping. We've added jumping. We've added. I think I talked about this in the previous video, but we added the camera now smoothly rotating. The colliders are pretty cool. You can jump and you can kind of climb the thing. So I guess that's it for today's video. I'm gonna be working on, I believe might be working on a jumping animation, and then probably we'll start working on interactable objects. I do already have like the code in place kind of, but I do have to change it because now we're using the physics engine instead of like the custom bounding boxes. So I'm gonna change that and probably have some interactable objects. Combat would be pretty nice, like punching, or maybe like, I don't know about weapons. I don't know if I want weapons or if I want like swords or something, because this whole game is a little bit like I'm kind of taking inspiration from Lego Universe. I think I'm not gonna go like too much into that, but I do take inspiration from that game. I think like the art style as well, even though it's not very pretty right now, but I feel like I'm gonna go in that direction. But yeah, so I'm gonna work on interactables, and I guess see you in part 4.